Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So we have so far completed a lot of countries. I think Germany, UK, New Zealand, Australia, all of these countries. Most important thing is in today's video, I'm going to focus on the country of fashion, art and design, that is France, and what is the step-by-step admission process in different universities in these countries. What are basic things that you should be aware of before you apply to any universities in these countries, and the reason behind shooting such detailed videos for different country is because when we sit for counseling with our students, it's important for our students and parents to be aware of the basics before they understand the whys behind any of the advices that we give them. So let's get started with study in France. So as you can see on my screen now, intakes in France are September and January. Now why France? 4 lakh plus international students took admission in France, which is 8% growth. France, in fact, is pushing more Indian students in the country, which is again a good news for Indian students. It has affordable tuition fees. Now, in France, is a country, as I said, of fashion, design, and art. Obviously, there are many other courses, but these are predominantly major courses in this country. So there are 75 plus universities in this countries. If you talk about the average living expense, it's even below Germany, which is around 12,000 euros. Fees ranges from 6,000 to 18,000 euros per annum. Average placement rate is 30,000 to 50,000 euros per year for STEM field, that is science, tech, engineering, and mathematics. And non-STEM is 30,000 to 40,000 per year. For part-time work, 20 hours in a week during term and unlimited hours during break for part-time. For bachelors, you have post-study work visas for 2 years, and for masters, you have 2 years official and 5 years still in discussion. It is not yet approved, but yes, it is again a good news if you end up getting 5 years post-study work visa in France. The popular courses, as I have talked about earlier, also fashion and design, hotel management, management and business, and engineering. These are few popular courses in France. Popular universities, as you can see on my screen, these are few popular universities in France, which you can opt for. You can pause the video here, take a screenshot to understand which course from where you can get, and some popular in reach universities, fashion design and fashion business. These are few of the top universities in these. And next is popular universities in hotel management and funds requirement, most important part. Proof of funds to 12,000 euros and 3 months bank statement, and proof of medical insurance with coverage of 10,000 to 15,000 euros, which is 30 to 50,000 euros. The visa process in France is very simple. Campus France application, create an account, fill application form, submit documents, receive an acceptance letter. Then you will apply to attend interview. Upon clearance, obtain an NOC. Then visa application, collect documents, update application, pay visa fees, so on and so forth. So that was all about admission in France. I hope this video was very resourceful. If you had any sort of questions, ask me in the comment. We will answer all your questions. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Signing off for today. Karishma.